Line. The sun forgives nothing. It burns away glory.
Hold up! Go left!
Strength ends what faith began. At the edge of the known world. Before the hunt, the tribe speaks not with words, but with smoke. As a savannah breathes around them, a living thing that remembers every footfall and suffering. The land speaks, but only those who bow to it can hear.
We split.
I'll take the left flank.
Don't chase the wind, boy.
The hunt divides the living into lines, each path a thread of fate.
Beneath the mirror of the swamp, something ancient stirs.
It's close. It's here. Hold up! Go! Left! Oh!
The world becomes sound and motion. The swamp answers with fury. Strength alone. It takes trust, rhythm. Strength ends what faith began. When victory comes, it does not roar, it sighs. The savannah gives and takes, but never forgets. Tonight, the hunt. The road home is the longest. Between victory and rest lies the burden of proof.
The land has tested you, and you have answered.
Home welcomes its warriors not with noise, breath. The feast is not of flesh, but of memory. Around the fire, the tribe breathes. The serpent is dead, but its spirit sleeps beneath the soil. It will wake again, you fought well.
Because you have
Mine. The sun forgives nothing. It burns away glory.
You see?
It's beautiful.
It is what the earth gives, what it asks back.
The circle completes itself. Before meat becomes sustenance, it must be honored. To take life from the earth is to feed its endless circle. It takes more than warriors to keep life breathing. To the young, the serpent is no longer terror, but story, a symbol of courage carved in scales and smoke. After battle, there is tenderness, the quiet languis of survival. The river remembers the blood, but cleanses the soul.
Try, feel it, don't fight it.
Wisdom is not spoken, it is shaped by repetition. The old carve the young as stone carves stone. The sand remembers, the serpent sleeps beneath it. When men forget, it wakes.
Once there was a rope that wished to hold lightning.
Stories bind a village tighter than rope. Do you see the pattern?
It's like earth when dry.
Patterns are promises. They tell you what holds when the wind forgets where to go.
To feed a village, they ask permission from what cannot answer. To take a life, they return its shadows.
Breath before fire. Fire before flesh before shadow. Shadow before forgetting.
Go back to the wind.
The warrior who took the first shot must also offer the last. To end violence, she sends it where it began.
A dance older than hunger itself.
The land remembers.
When movement stops, the earth has learned their names. The wind does not destroy, it reminds. Every vow must be carried somewhere. From blood, we learn hunger. From ash, we learn patience. After every fire comes the rain. It cools what was fierce, but it also feeds. Once the world was empty of sound. Then man. I brought it.
This is where stories begin again.
Will the serpent come back?
Everything that lives returns. So must we.
The flame found its place.
The
circle closes. From hunt to harvest, from fire to